What's up guys, LionSayer47 here bringing you another gaming video. Today I'm going to be doing a gaming / info video called the Ghost live commentary. It's kind of like a live commentary, not really, but you know how I made that info vid? Well anyways, I was telling you guys that in my last info vid I put the music in the background, Neon Cat 8-bit version, and you couldn't really hear me speaking, so I'm going to remake this info vid so hopefully you can hear me. The only reason I was talking so quiet, you know, is because it was 6 o'clock in the morning and my mom was kind of getting mad because I was talking loud, so yeah, I couldn't really do that. Yeah, that's the only reason I was talking low, sorry. I'm going to have to delete that video and then I'm going to upload this one because I don't want to get people confused. Yeah. This is just a random Call of Duty Ghost clip. Oh yeah, shout out to Dolphin Lover, Coleman2345, Phoenix, and my friend Daniel. Subscribe to their channels. Their channels will be in the description below, so if you want to go check them out, just go check them out. Subscribe, you know, if you want to. If you're into Minecrafting and Grand Theft Auto, then you'll like their videos. I mean, you should. One of them has a capture card. Coleman does. He does pretty good videos. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the music in the background right now, but hopefully it's not too loud so where you can't hear me at all, but yeah. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little info vid #2. I will see you guys later and bye.